Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in this video we're going to talk about why you shouldn't only depend on Amazon Kindle Publishing as your sole source of income. So Amazon self-publishing is definitely one of the greatest money-making opportunities out there to supplement your income and can make you ROI quickly. So it's definitely the fastest return on investment vehicle that I've personally experienced and know of, that you can start making money within 48 hours from publishing your book. So low barrier of entry and startup costs are anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000. Now, I'm probably going to do a separate video on the breakdown of book startup costs for Amazon self-publishing. So no highly technical skill sets required. Passive income, makes money on autopilot. Diversify income streams from ebooks. So from the get-go, you can diversify your income stream on Amazon. So that's ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks. And again, you don't require a highly technical skill set. If you can turn on your computer, you can make money with self-publishing on Amazon. So the dangers. It's a very volatile business. Things change fast. If Amazon decides to change the algorithm or they decide to add new features on their platform, this can directly affect your income. You have no control over the customers. Amazon is very protective of their customers and understands the lifetime value of their customers. So they want to keep you separate from their customers. You can sell on their platform, but they don't really like you interacting with their customers for the most part. And my last point for the dangers, Amazon can terminate you at any point in time they want. So it doesn't matter if it's for whatever reason, they can terminate you without cause. And this has happened so many times. I can't tell you the countless stories I've heard of people being terminated from Amazon and who've depended on Amazon for a full-time income. Just the horror stories. It's just unfortunate. But when you sign up for the terms of service and agreement, you agree. You're at their mercy, right? You agreed. You made an agreement, and in that agreement, it states that they can terminate you at any time without cause. So the solution to all this is diversifying your income streams. So affiliate marketing is another avenue you can get into. So that's JVZoo or ClickBank. So those are really low ticket information products. Or you can do high ticket products or services, which is even better for affiliate marketing. So video course creation is another route you can go. So with video course creation, you can monetize your craft or skill set by teaching people things. Whether that's playing the piano, playing tennis, maybe basketball, cooking, etc. Real estate is another highly recommended wealth creation vehicle. I honestly recommend strongly because I believe it's one of the best return on investment vehicles to wealth creation that exists and is true long-term and sustainable wealth. I would probably start doing other videos as my channel progresses on real estate because this is what I really believe to be the staple of the elite and the wealthy, really. And you'll notice that most people who get wealthy, it's not everybody, but there's a good majority of people who do it through real estate, right? But again, that will be talked about in a different video. So print on demand. So that's merch by Amazon, Teespring, Etsy. There are so many print on demand websites. You can just Google it. But I honestly, it's not my top pick. And I don't highly recommend it. I do recommend it. It doesn't hurt having an extra stream of income coming from print on demand, but it's just the competition is so fierce, even more fierce than self-publishing because the barrier of entry is so low. All you need to do is upload a design on the website, do some SEO, run some ads, and that's basically it, right? So it's a very, very low barrier of entry. And lastly, website and domain flipping. That's another thing you can get into. So my take-home message is take advantage of Amazon's self-publishing opportunity. It can change your life. It definitely has changed mine, but do not stay stuck in the self-publishing rut forever. At any moment in time, Amazon can terminate your account, and if you depend on Amazon for your full-time income, and for example, let's say you make $7,000 a month, imagine all your income disappear in the blink of an eye, and this has happened to countless people. and they've done it without cause too. So it's a very unfortunate situation. But again, I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm just trying to give you guys and girls the reality and facts of the situation, right? So self-publishing is one of the easiest skill sets to master with the right training. But do not be complacent, because I know so many people who've lost their accounts and thus lost all their income associated with it as well. Use self-publishing as seed money to fund other more stable business ventures. So like I mentioned earlier, things like real estate, right? Or other businesses out there. So self-publishing is a stepping stone to starting up other business enterprises. Always aim to diversify your pillars of income, so if one goes down, you won't be affected as much. So this is going to be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.